Hello everyone. 8 plus 4 equals 12, and 12 divided by 2 equals 6, and the result inside the parentheses is 16 divided by 4 equals 4, and finally 6 times 4 equals 24. But this answer is wrong because we didn't follow the order of operations. The rule that comes to our aid here is the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is a simple way to remember the order of mathematical operations. The letter P stands for parentheses. The letter E stands for exponents. The letters M and D stand for multiplication and division. And finally, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So in short, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. According to the order of operations, PEMDAS, we must first solve what's inside the parentheses, so 16 divided by 4 equals 4. The expression becomes 8 plus 4 divided by 2 times 4. After the parentheses, it's the turn of exponents, but there are no exponents in this expression. So it's the turn of multiplication and division, and we must move from left to right, solving whichever comes first. Here, we must do the division first. 4 divided by 2 equals 2, and the expression becomes 8 plus 2 times 4. Now it's the turn of multiplication. 2 times 4 equals 8, and the expression becomes 8 plus 8. Now it's the turn of addition. 8 plus 8 equals 16, and since there was no subtraction, our final answer is 16. So don't miss the upcoming challenges, like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Goodbye.